Hello everyone. So today now I am going to create a 2D simple 2D geometry using AutoCAD. So first of all, this is my 2D geometry. So I will start from here. Here we have x and y axis alone, right? So I will start from this point. From here 85 and from here 54, then 28. Then we have a slanting and this height is 14 and here 10, then 14 and here we have a semicircle. This semicircle 28, this length is 28 and we have three holes, dia 16. It is having dia 16 three numbers. Okay, so I will start from here. Make ensure that you have to set the limits, units and zoom. Before that, you have to say, switch on the ortho mode, then switch on the O snap. Then only you can get the start point, end point, midpoint, all the things. Okay. So this is my command prompt. If it command prompt is not available in your AutoCAD, just simply press Control 9. Shortcut key is Control 9. Then dynamic input. So I will draw one line from here to here 85, right? So this 85, this is not mentioned, not in your desktop or AutoCAD software. So simply press F12. Okay, for switch on the dynamic input, press F12. Okay, so I will start from here. So this is 85, then horizontal direction 54, then height is 28. Okay, then give escape. If you want to exit from the command, give escape. So I will move a little bit down. Okay, so from here, so I drawn up to here, from here to here 28, from here to here 28. Then we have to draw a 15 length and 10, then downward 14. Okay, after that we have to join here. Okay, we have a slanting, right? So okay, then we have to create the semicircle here. So semicircle, we have a center point here. Okay, go to circle, center radius. Just move the cursor towards this point to this point. So we can, this triangle is midpoint for your semicircle, right? So what is the radius for semicircle? 14. Okay, so this is 14. Okay, now the same center point, we have a circle here, dia 16. So go to center diameter 16. Okay, so next we have to trim the unwanted portion. I don't want this portion, and this portion, this portion. Okay, so now we have to create the, now we have to create the this center point, right? So from here, so this is 28, but this total length is 54, 54 minus 28, 26. From here, this center to center is 28. From here 13, from here 13. So I will simply draw one line from here 13. After that, I will move the cursor towards upside. So here we have the center point from here 14, right? So I will draw 14. Then this length is 28. Then that's it. So I exit from the command and delete the reference point. So now I got center to center distance. So here you can, if you want, you can create using this center radius, center diameter. So another method is just copy, use the copy and copy the circle, give enter. I will choose this center to this center. Okay, I will move. If you use move command, you can't get the original source file. Okay, then I will, okay, if you I will explain how move command will work. So use the move command, select this one, So I will move from this point to this point. So you can get the original source. So only I used copy command. So again I will repeat copy command, use the copy command, select this one, after that give enter to last the point, base point. I'm moving from this point to this point and this point. So now I will give escape. I am exiting from this one. Okay. So next we have to do the dimensioning. So go to annotate, from here to here distance is 54, and here to here 28, and here to here 85. Then we have to do the diameter, this diameter. Okay, and this radius. Okay, that's it. So one more drawing, I will solve one more drawing. So this here horizontal distance is 28 and height is 16. I will draw this rectangular box first. So this one is 28. So switch on the ortho, 28. Then height is 16. Then again height is, sorry, again length is 28. Then close it. Okay, 16. So next we have a line here. So here this line is 30. Okay. So I will draw from here one length, and from here 1 mm. Okay. So then height is, we have a height from, we have a this this point to this center height is 70, right? So we drawn up to this 16. So 70 minus 16, 54. So I will draw 54, and this length, this breadth we know 30, and after that we have to close it. Then give escape for exit from the command. Okay, now we have to draw the circle radius with radius 32, and here we have a radius 32, right? We have curve here. So this is my center point. So go to circle radius, this is my center point. So radius 32, right? So give radius 32, and again, so here we have a curve. So curve, we have a curve radius 32. So here I am going to draw a tangent radius. I am going to use the tangent radius. So select this circle. It will ask the first tangent of the circle. This is my first tangent, and the second tangent of circle. This is my second tangent, and it will ask the radius. So radius is 32. Okay, so we got the circle here. So if you want, you can create the circle same method. Go to tangent radius. It will ask the first and the second, then give radius 32. Okay, so you can create the circle like this. Otherwise, you can use the mirror command. Okay, mirror. I'm using the mirror command. Select your object, and after that give enter. It will ask the reference point. This is my reference point, center reference. Okay, so we need to erase the source object or not. So I want this source object, right? So simply give no. So after that you can trim it. So this line I don't want. This line I don't want. This is also I don't want. So trim it, unwanted portion. After that you can make the dimensions. Okay. Then diameter or radius we know. So this is radius is 32, and also this radius is 32. Okay. If you want, you can change the color of your object. Select all lines, then go to by layer, change your color. Okay, so that's it. So thank you.